Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you some delicious coconut butter cookies. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get a bowl and come in with about 200 grams of butter. I'll put it in the microwave to melt it up. Next, I'll come in with some vanilla essence, about 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar, a pinch of salt to taste. Add about 100 grams of whipped cream, 1 egg yolk. I'll come in with my hand mixer and mix everything up till it turns fluffy. I'll also come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut chaff. Now I'll come in with my cake flour. I'll be using about 200 grams. I'll also add about a teaspoonful of baking soda. Go ahead and mix everything up. Afterwards, I'll put the mixture in a piping bag and pipe it onto my surface. I mean, they're gonna be flat, so it's not necessary to choose any particular piping head. I'll let them rest for about an hour. After which, I'll put it in a preheated oven of about 150 degrees Celsius. I'll be baking this for about 20 to 30 minutes. And here we are. They are ready. They smell delicious and they definitely taste delicious. So yes, here we are, and these go so well with some tea or some coffee. If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.